Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I keep my hands moisturized using the Olay Moisturizing Serum and Hand Mask. So first off, you want to start with clean hands. So give your hands a rinse, dry them, and start applying the serum. The Olay Hand Serum is a non-greasy, lightweight formula which contains vitamin B3, which easily absorbs into the hands and keeps it moisturized all day. So this serum pairs nicely with the Olay Moisturizing Hand Mask. This hand mask helps restore your skin's hydration after the stress of frequent hand washing, and it's enriched with vitamin B3 complex. The gloves is filled with lots of moisturizing serum, and it helps lock in that moisture. Gently massage the mask evenly over the hands to ensure even distribution of the serum, and leave the gloves on for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, massage any remaining serum into the hands, and there's no need to rinse. I love this serum and hand mask combination. It has a mild scent, and you're left with nothing but soft, smooth looking hands.